Alright, muli tayo nagbabalik para sa ating 3-point shootout halftime. Oy! Number 7. Uy, mati ka na.
Yung mga nakashot, di mo na. Yung nakashot, di mo na. Okay na, score na. Isa pa? Oo. Ilan na, ilan na. One more. Kaya di pwede yung voting mo. Kailangan may backward. Yung mga may backward dito. Pakita na lang kasi picture tayo. Ano yan ha? Isa pa.
Ayan, ito po ang ating mga nanalo sa ating 3-point shootout. Ayan, si Sir Captain Paguyo. Number 3 and number 24. Hindi ko nakita isa. Ayan, photo ops tayo sa ating mga winner ng halftime. Congratulations! Ayan, maraming po salamat sa mga sponsors po natin. Isa na po dyan ang Comorio Cosmetic Charity Program, headed by Sir Benito Legarde and Sir Ben. Alright, magsisimula na tayo para sa ating second quarter o second half. Sino kaya ang tatanghaling third laser and fourth laser?
Back to the game, third quarter.
Let's go! Steal ng mga nakaputi. Number 12 sumalaksak. Too strong. Rebound by Sir number 23. Number 23 sumalaksak. Drop pass sa loob. Kick out. One extra pass to number 16 with a hook shot. 45-41 in favor of the red shirt. Alley-oop. Wala. Rebound. Number 38. Tumira. Wala. Another expensive rebound. But this time still yan by number 16. Pass number 16. Sumalaksak. Basket. 47-41. Number 8. Uy. Pass number 27. Number 13. Binigay sa loob. High pick up. No good. Outlet pass. Number 11. Kinaliwa. By Sir Calabon. 49-41. Favor of the red shirt. Number 13 to number 12. Pass number 13. To number 12. Pass number 13. Why? Bad pass nga lang. With the wrong man. Oopsie. There's a foul. Red ball. Okay, sa corner from elbow three. No good. Ayan na mga nakaputi. Side step. Tumira, wala. And outside. Save ball. Uy, wala. Outlet pass. Number 11, wala. Number 16, binomba sa ere. Nagkapi pa. 51-41. 10 na ang lamang ng mga nakapula. Number 08, babawi sa 3. No good. Rebound by number 16. Number 16, outlet pass to number 11. No good. Rebound ng mga nakaputi. Ayan na. Number 18, sasalaksak. Uy. 4 against 2. Basket by number 27. Baba sa 8 ang lamang ng SPOS S3. Uy! What a move! Yun lang! Hindi na-convert. Ganda ng move nun. Sir, number 23. Ayan na, number 12. Uy, what a drive. Good defense by number 16 doon. No, easy basket para sa kanil, sa mga nakaputi. Ayan na, binigay kay number 08, side step, floater, wala. Rebound, makukuha na number 27. Number 27 sumalaksak, wala pa rin. Pero nandun para sa putback, wala pa rin. Isa pa, wala pa rin. Rebound by number 16. Ayan na mga nakapula. Number 16 sasalaksak, binaws pass to number 11. Ang lalim sa loob and there's a foul by number 12. That is second personal foul, second team foul. 6 minutes and 38 seconds sa ating talaan. Uy. Basket ba? That's a basket. Second shot. Basket is good by SPOS S3. Number 12. Uy, munti ka na. Magawan. Number 08. High pick up. Pinasok sa loob. Ang lalim niyan. But this time, no good yan. Out of bound. Red ball. Ayan na, mga nakapula nagmamadali. Number 23, may tangan ng bola. Number 23 with a cross. Number 23, tumira. Grabe yun, nakipasok pa. Ang tira ni number 23. Number 19, using the glass. Wala. Rebound yan. Wala pa rin. Rebound by number 16. Number 16 to number 11. Wala. Offensive rebound by number 16. Basket is good. Number 12. Sumalaksak. Wala. Ayun na. Number 16 to number 11. Binigay. 4 against 3. Uy. No good. By Sir David. Ayun na. Number 28. Extra pass. No good. Nakuha. Number 38 pa rin. With a putback. Uy, mati ka na magawa. Number 16. Sumalaksak. No good. Rebound by number 38. Number 12. Pinagay sa kanan. Jump shot. Short. Rebound. Number 7. Pinagay number 7. Tumira sa 3. Wala. Out of bounds. Wide ball. Second 5 tayo. Sorry, first time out para sa mga nakaputi. Official score 57-45 in favor of the red shirt. Tingnan natin ang adel ng mga nakaputi. Ayan, shoutout muli sa Kokoryu Cosmetic Program, charity program headed by our beloved Benito Lagarda and Sir Bien Marvin Lagarda. At sa lahat ng bumubuo po at sa mga suporta sa ating liga dito sa San Juan City Police Station Basketball League 2025. This is a battle for third. Sino kaya ang tatanghaling third place of this season? Malalaman natin yan maya-maya lamang. 6 minutes and 38 seconds tayo. Number 16, binasa loob ang lalim. But there's a pushing foul by number 12. Otol. Oopsie, out of bounds. White ball tayo. Circle of Fu. Maglalabas ang bola. Number 12 pass of Circle of Fu. Kolafu with a jump shot. Sir, is nag-prep. Pass number 38. Sumalaksak, bumitin, wala. Super mouse space eh. Ayan na. Pass number 16, binigay sa corner. Number 3, extra pass sa loob, block, pero may foul para kay Kolafu. By Sir Kolafu, number 38. That is 4th personal foul. Warning for penalty. And 14 foul. 3 minutes and 48 seconds. Second shot is good. 2 for 2, 59-45 ang ating talan. Number 8. Number 8. Oopsie, out of bounds. Number 4 to number 16. Number 16, sumalaksak, wala, rebound. Number 9, number 18, bounce pass, sumalaksak, pinitpitan, basket by number 12. 59-47. Oh, another steal. Number 12, lumipad sa ere. Basket. Back-to-back basket by number 12. Ayun na ang pressure defense ng mga nakaputi. Naitawid. Number 16, sumalaksak. Using the glass. Wala. Rebound by Captain Aguyo. Pass to number 16. 30-second shot clock. Oopsie. Number 24 by Captain Aguyo. Jump shot. Short. Uy. Good. Pass to Sir Captain. One extra pass. Another rebound by Sir Aguyo with the layup. No good. Offensive rebound by number 3 with the shot and basket yan. 61-49 in favor of the red shirt. Ayun na. Number 08. Number 08, sasalaksak, stop and pop, wala. Rebound by number 16. Number 16, nagmamadali. Number 16 with the cross. Binigay kay Captain. Pass to number 24. To number 16. Kick out. Waiting for his teammate. Pass to Captain to number 3. Tumira, wala. Rebound. Makukulit ni number 3. Using the glass. Basket is good. Ayun na, sa kabila, nagmamadali. Number 12. Side step. Uy, nakalusot si number 12. Ayun na, Captain Aguyo. Pass to number 24. Binigay sa corner. Elbow. Waiting for his teammate. Number 3. Number 3, sumalaksak. Tumira, wala. Rebound by number 08. Number 08, binababa ang bola. Nagmamadali. Number 08, atake. Side step. Uy! Short nga lang. Rebound by number 16. Outlet pass. Pass to Captain. Captain all alone. Basket by Captain Aguyo. 65-51. Time remaining is almost 1 minute tayo. Number 12, step back. Binigay kay number 19. Jump shot, wala. Oopsie. Foul. Time remaining, last 51 seconds. Oops. Penalty. Red team under penalty situation. Sorry. Basket by number 16. Second shot, no good. Rebound by Captain. Jump shot, wala. Rebound by number 4. Number 4, pass to number 6. 16. Number 16, binigay sa corner. Number 4, 4-3. Yes, sir! By jersey number 4. Ayun na, Lumea, basket. Uy, nagawan. Ng mga nakaputi, number 8, short. Na-rebound pa rin yan, basket yan by number 8. Bumahabol ang mga naka-white shirt. Captain, bounce pass, pinasa loob. Outside. Last 6.2 seconds. Ayan na. Number 8, 4-3. Shoy! End of the third quarter, official score is 69-55 in favor of the SPOS S2 or the red team. Alright, tayo dadao na sa ating fourth and the final quarter. Sino kaya ang tatanghaling third place? Malalaman natin yan, maya lamang. Bago po yan ang ating next game po natin, ang ating next game, ang ating championship game. of exciting part, the Sector 6 versus the Kokoryu team. Good luck to both teams para sa ating championship game. Maya-maya malalaman yan. Alright, back to the ball game. Alright, fourth quarter. Tumira. Uy! No good. Wala pa rin. Rebound number 0-0. Uy, no good. Offensive rebound with a hook shot. Wala pa rin. Rebound by number 27. Pass to Circle po. Libre doon sa kabala. Number 08. Easy 2 point. 69-57. Number 23. Pass to number 00. Kick out. Tumira sa 3. Short. Ayun na mga nakaputi. Number 8. Uy. Nice shot by number 12. Mabasa 10 lamang ng mga nakapula. Number 7 to number 11. No good. Rebound. Mapukuha ni number 23. Number 23. Kukuha ng post. Number 23. I-discarte. Number 23. 6 seconds to shoot. Pass number 7. No basket daw. Not counted yun. Kitang-kita ng ating mga referee yun. No basket. 69-59. 10-point lead para sa mga nakapula. Number 12. Pass number 27. Uy, block. Rebound. Makukuha ni number 16. Number 16, may tangan na bola. Number 16, didiskarte yan. Ni number 27. Pass number 0. What a nice pass. Libre. By number 11. Ayan na. Number 08. Pumaldag. No good. Offensive rebound again by number 08. Wala. Kolafu. Basket by Sir Kolafu. Balik sa 10 lamang ng mga nakapula. Sir Dennis may tangan ng bola. Binigay sa corner, 4-3, wala. Rebound by Sir Kolafu. Ayan na. 2 against 1. Number 27. 3 against 1. Basket by number 13. Ayan na, umahabol na. Down by 8. 63-71. Timeout. Red team. Umahabol ang team Makopo. Time remaining 7 minutes and 22 seconds. Sa ating fourth and last quarter game. Ayan, basa tayo ng mga shoutout po ninyo. Please don't forget to like and share and follow me on Facebook kung naisip po naman itong live basketball coverage. Alright, back to the ball game. Number 11 for 3, wala. Defensive rebound by number 08. Number 08 sasalaksak. Oy, steal by number 16. Out and pass to Sir Dennis. Uy, what a hustle by Sir Kolafu. Ayan na, 4 against 1. Up and under. Basket is good by number 12. Ayan na mga nakapula. Nagmamadali. Uy, drop pass. Uy, good defense para sa mga nakaputi. 65-71. Umahabol ang mga naka-white shirt. Ayan na, naka-play. Number 23, Sir Dennis. Tumira sa 3. Yes, sir! By double 0. 75-74. Di pa daw. Kung pwede yun, lalamang pa ang mga nakapula. Number 27. Uy, short. Out of bounds. Same ball. 9-second shot clock to shoot. Ayan na. Number 13. Sumalaksak. Wala. Rebound by number 16. Pass to number 11. Number 11. Uy, no good. Rebound ng mga nakaputi. Ayan na. Pass to number 13. Oopsie, another steal. Number 16, 2 against 1. Number 11, easy 2 points by number 11. Balik ang Kalamangan sa 11. Ayan na. Side step using Douglas. Yes, sir. 2 points para sa mga nakaputi. Sir Dennis with the cross. Oy, nakalusot! Wala. Another offensive rebound by number 16. 78-67. Uy, nakalusot. Number 12. Uy, nice fake. One-legged shot. No good. Rebound by number 7. Ayan na, tumatakbo si number 11. Number 11. Pass to Sir Dennis. Sir Dennis, tumira. Wala. Rebound by number 16. Tumira. Wala pa rin. With a putback by number 7. Timeout. White team. Official score is 80-67 in favor of the red team. The SPOS S3. Time remaining po natin 4 minutes and 58 seconds in favor of the red team. Oops, munti ka. Another steal. Yun lang, nakita. Out of bounds. Respect, stepping on the line. Sir Marinas, may tangan ng bola. Pass number 19. Pinasok sa loob using the glass basket. 69-80 in favor of the Reggie. Sir Pagabo, pass number 16. Number 7, top of the key for 3, no good. Rebound by 0-0. Tumira, wala pa rin. Offensive rebound, mapupunta ulit kay number 0-0. To Sir Captain, number 0, pass to Captain. Uy, that's 3 seconds. Violation. Napunta pa tayo sa loob doon. Ng 3 segundo. Sir Marinas, may tangan na bola. Pass to Sir Colafu. Colafu, tutira sa 3. Wala. Rebound by number 7. Number 7. Nakita na bola. Bounce pass. Uy! Ganda ng pasa. Ang ganda ng tira ni number 0-0. Basket count and may kasama pang foul. Bonus shot is good. Substitution tayo. Sir Captain Paguyo, basket. Sir Colafu with a drive, wala. Sumalaksak by number 7. Babawi ang mga nakaputi. Wala. Isa pa. Another putback. Basket by Sir Colafu. 87-71. Number 7 to Captain Paguyo. Sir Mariñas susubok sa 3. Short.
Last 2 minutes and 19 seconds. Third down. To Sir Calabon. Sir Calabon. Tingin na ng 10.
Good.
Number 8. Ayan na si number 8. Ayan na, wabaragan sana sila number 8. Napunta na Sir Mariñas. Sir Mariñas.
Basket. Number 7 up and under. Basket. Sir Mariñas for 3. Short. One minute and 18 seconds tayo. No good. At dito na po nararamdaman. Tumira sa 3, out of bounds. 1 minute and 5 seconds remaining sa ating 4th and final quarter. Malamdam na ng mga nakapula ang panalo. Number 8 basket. 15 seconds to shoot. 50 seconds rather. No good. Ayan na exhibition. Another steal. Ubus na lang ang oras para sa mga nakapula. Easy 2 points by number 4. At dito na po nagtatapos. Mukhang bigay na po ata ang panalo para sa mga nakapula. Three seconds remaining. And dito na po nagtatapos sa ating laban. What a nice game from both team. And a nice game para sa Popo basketball team. And congratulations sa ating 3rd place, ang SPOS S3 or ang red team of this battle for 3rd. Congratulations from both team. Tikitan lang sa 1st and 3rd quarter. Hindi ka pa mahabol ng mga nakapatay ang laban, pero nanaig pa rin ang mga nakapula. Alright, our final score is 93-75. Panalo po ang mga nakapula. Alright, photos tayo. Maya-maya po tayo magsisimula na para championship game. The Sector 6 versus the Kokoryu. Okay. Okay lang po. Hindi, okay lang po. Hindi, video po. Hello po. Congratulations! A nice game! Video po. Video. Hello. Congrats. Okay na po. Congratulations. Hello. Shoutout po sa inyo lahat. Ano po? Thank you. Okay. Maya-maya tayo magsisimula na para sa ating second game. Ang ating exciting part, our championship. And our best player of the game, none other than by number 11. Congrats po! Congrats!